Let's see how to create a select answer quiz in Slidea. Click on the New Slide button in the top left corner of the presentation editor page. Choose the Select Answer slide type under Quiz Competition. A leaderboard for the question is also added along with the Select Answer slide. Add your question in the question field in the right panel. Click on Add a longer description to add more content to describe your question or to give a hint for the question. Enter the answers in the options fields. Click on the Add Option button to add more options. You can add up to 5 options for a question. Mark the correct answer for the question by clicking on the checkbox to the left of each option. In the Seconds to Answer time picker box, use the arrows to set a time for your audience to submit their response. Award more points for quick and correct responses gives more points to participants who answer correctly and faster. Unchecking this will give equal points to all participants who give the right answer. Unchecking the Add Leaderboard will remove the leaderboard for the particular slide. Click on the Music drop-down button and click on the Enable Quiz Music checkbox to add music to your slide. In the Design menu, click on the Upload Image icon to add a background image to your slide. We have a collection of images and GIFs available under Image Library and GIFs menu, respectively. Drag and drop or choose a file from your device. Your file should be in PNG, GIF, JPEG, or SVG format with a maximum file size of 15 megabytes. You can adjust the opacity of the image by dragging the slider. Click on the leaderboard slide and add content for the scoreboard in the content field. Click on the On Slide Notes at the bottom of the center panel to store reminders, talking points, keynotes for that particular slide for the presenter. Once done, preview your slide to see how it works. Present it to your audience and start collecting responses. And that's it. It's your turn to create amazing quizzes with Select Answer quiz slides.